Now I have a Gmail with a file attached. It's actually the file that I was with all the shortcuts of the videos, and I'll send it to myself. And I'm back in the workflow. And I also created in my Google Drive a folder called Udemy-tutorial-N8N. Okay, there is a folder in my Google Drive account, the one that is connected. Okay, and now I have all. Now you will see how really simple it is to make workflows, because all this part of the credentials, it was really complicated, but it needs to be done only once, because this credential, we will reuse it all the time, okay? So let's go back to the workflows. And once, well, let's execute the workflow. Parameter file name is required. Okay, first I'll execute this one, fetch test event, and let's see JSON data. And here in properties, we will select we will unselect the simplify option, and in options we will select download attachments. Okay, download attachments, and we enable this. If I fetch again, you will see that here on the right there is something called binary. This is the file. Okay, this is the file that you see N8N shortcuts. This is the file. So remember, simplify disabled and download attachments. Okay. Now look at this. It says one item. One item has been passed from this node to the next node. I come back to this node, and on the left I have the input, and on the right I have the output of this node. As an input, I am receiving the output of my previous node, right? Which is a table. Well, the data can be displayed as a table, as a JSON. It is the same. It's just being displayed in a different format. And binary, which is the file. Binaries are always files. PDFs, image, videos, whatever will always be in the binaries. And now we will say, okay, we will upload this file to the operation upload binary data. Where can I find the binary data to upload? In the property data? No, in the property attachment _0. This needs to be the same, okay? What is the file name? I'll make it manually now, but we could get it as an expression. I'll get it from should be a property here called like file name JSON. You see that this is becoming a hand, so well, I'll make it manually now because this is needs another video. File name, my file, okay, my file, and resolve data, and this should not work now because I need to specify where I want to save it. Parents. But let's see, because I don't remember now exactly. This is let's see what error we get. Sometimes it's good to get errors because then you see the, okay, yeah, no, it has been uploaded. It has been uploaded, but where it has been uploaded, if you get this, it means that it was successful. But let me check where it was uploaded. Yeah, it was uploaded, but in the wrong place. What I will do is, I will come back to the folder, and up here you see an ID. This is the ID of the folder. I'll select it. Okay, select that ID until the slash. Okay, you see the slash, whatever is be after the slash. I'll come here, and as parents, I'll specify that this is the parent. Okay, and I'll try again. And I think now it should go to the right folder. No, because it was uploaded to the general, and I don't want that. Let me check. And here it is. Okay. Bam, the file. Okay. Fantastic. Our first workflow. Let's see the workflow so this workflow, it's already kind of interesting. This workflow, if we leave it working, whenever we received an email with a file attached, automatically, without any human intervention, would be getting that file and uploading that file into the Google Drive folder. Let's be honest. How many companies, how many times, how many workers are doing this damn job every day all over the world? How many? Thousands? Millions? I mean, this tool, it's really powerful, believe me. It is really powerful. And we just have seen a very basic example. Very basic and very simple example. But, wow. Okay, so how do I leave this workflow working in the background? Like this. Bam. I have a worker that will always be reading all my emails, and whenever ever is an email, with a file attached, we'll download it and we'll upload it to my specified Google Drive folder. No tired, no complaining, no holidays, no errors. Great. Okay, let's see you in the next video because we will do more interesting stuff.